Oh yeah. Come here, baby. That's a solid one. Oh my God, that's a smallie too. I can't see him. Oh. Yeah, that's more than 3. Oh my God. Dude. That's a freaking pig, man. Congrats. God dang. Hold that sucker up. Check that pig out, dude. What a football. Dear God. Woo, man. Well, that's a good way to start the day. Was that a little Texas rig worm? Oh, that's a Ned, isn't it? I don't know, man. I'd say he's probably 3.5. Oh, you're good. Well, I'm glad we came here today. Do you want me to take a picture for you? It's a little tank, dude. Welcome to the thumbnail, Chris. Jesus. Well, I think I'm switching to the Ned right here then. Yeah, look at that. God, he's a chunk though. To only be 3 pounds? Pig, dude. Do you care if I hold him up to the cam, dude? I'm gonna show him the mouth. That is a good feeling right there. Jeez, what a way to start the day. What a football. Well, I got a matcher better this one. This is a tank. Jesus. I wish it would have been me, Chris, but heck yeah, at least we got one in the boat. He said the bite's gonna be tough today. Catch a tank. You wanna release him? Have at it, dude.
Smallmouth, they'll usually bite your thumb and let you know when they're ready to go.
Like, please get off of me.
Ooh, that's a female. There she goes.
See you, baby. Dang. Woo! Watauga refuses to disappoint. All right, well, Chris, you have convinced me to use the Ned today. I was going to anyway, I'm gonna try it right here. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. If it's shallow like this, they're gonna be spawning right through here. Chris is hooked up again, boys.
No. It's a giant.
Is it a smallie?
Yes, big.
I didn't even see it. Oh, what? What is that?
No.
Oh.
That's 5. That was 5. I knew it was gonna happen.
Oh, that fish though, just seeing him, that gives me hope. Dang. Well, they're on the Ned bite today, boys. I'll tell you that much. Second fish hooked up was nice.
Yeah, it is too. It's another tank.
Let me get this in. Yes, I got the hook set too.
That's the male.
That's a male right there.
So the female's the one I had hooked first.
There we go. Still a little chunk though. What's it on? There it is.
Yeah.
Solid little fish.
2-pounder.
2-pounder. The male.
Yeah, that's the male.
We're going after Yo Mama. You gonna weigh him?
Yeah, I'm gonna weigh it.
Heck yeah, go ahead, dude. 185, boys. That's a male. Where's your girl at, homie? That's what we're going for.
Just had it.
See you, big guy. All right. Well, that Ned bite's what's on today, I'll tell you that. I like that color. That's almost the same as this. I got purple on top of mine, purple and green. Yeah, this is what I caught all the bluegill on last time I was here. I didn't get a bass, but I caught about 8 bluegill in 10 minutes. Well, I can say another thing, Chris. I'm kind of glad we came here today. Chris is outdoing me today. Let me just tell you, boys. God, that's a little chunky one, man.
That's a spotted bass.
That is a spotted.
Look how far that spinnerbait.
I know, it's almost next to his eye, dude. Jesus. I gotta catch one now. Was that the one that followed it first, or? He's a little bigger. Just fishing these docks right here. I missed a bite too earlier. You were not wrong about that. Right on all accounts today so far. He said, this is my honey hole. Check her out, boys. That's a freaking fatty, dude. Dear God, that's a little chunk. He's healthy. Oh, come on. Just give me a doink. I just need to get on the board. They've all been footballs today. War Eagle. I probably will. I'll put it on the other rod. I didn't cast yet, but I did cast over there in between that boat and the dock. The fat one. I love fishing like this. It's so cool. Yes, sir. Oh my God, look at the stomach on that thing. God, what is that? Yes, sir. Check that out, boys. Dang, that's a little tank, dude. Well, You don't mind if I steal your fishing spot, do you? I'm gonna need to pull one in the boat today. Man, it's full of them though. God, what a freaking belly on that thing.
211.
That's a 2-pound freaking spotted bass. You kidding me? Look at the stomach. You're so fat. What are you? Freaking nature. God, what a pig. You want me to take a picture for you? Oh my God. That's so fat. Look at it. Dear God, what a pig.
Those are fun to catch too.
Yeah, they fight so hard. That's what we got them on last time we were here, man, was a spinner.
Another freaking giant
That's
spot.
oh my God, dude. So first he catches baby bear, then mama bear. Then now look at Pops.
That's about the same as last one.
Still, that's a tank. You see if it's the same fish. Double up. It's just a little bit under the last one. Oh no, that's more. Sorry, yeah. Did I forget how to decimal? God. Talk about a pig. Well, if they'll keep hitting, I'll keep casting. I know, this is the bomb. I'm not even upset I haven't caught one yet. Just cool to see him. It's like clockwork. If I could get it right back in that corner. Underneath that. Oh man. There's gotta be a fish back there. Oh yeah, come on, that's gotta be it. Oh, so nice. How is that not a bite? Yeah, I mean, if they're right here, they're definitely going to be on the other docks too. You say change spots? And you almost got 6 pounds of spotted bass just right here. And the day ain't over yet, boys. Come here, big guy. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at its stomach. God, what a smallie. Right when I was about to switch over to the spinnerbait, Chris accepted this freaking tank of a smallie. God.
363.
Oh. What a pig, dude. Oh. Look at him. What a pig. Nice job, man. Lay it on me. Nice. We can work around this bridge right here. It might be protected from the wind on this back side right here because there's a little cove. This wind is crazy though, guys. No way. Well, boys, I tell you what, we didn't get skunked today. Dang, this guy's got some needle teeth. Check that out. He wanted the spinnerbait. He's only about a pound. If that, actually. But at least the skunk is off our back. Awesome. Of course, I told you, Chris. If you're watching this video, Chris, I told you 100%. I only catch fish when I'm alone. See you later, buddy. I didn't even feel that guy bite. I legit just felt weight. I thought it was a tree that I was hung on. There we go. 2 for 2, baby. Wow. Well, although we did catch another tiny little doink, as you can see, my rod tip just shattered. Yikes. Doesn't matter, he's a little bit more beefy. Dang, I can't believe I broke the rod tip. Unfortunate, but at least it's got us another fish. I'm gonna send this to Bill and Chris. But the little guy wanted it, didn't he? He's a pretty little bass though. All right, buddy. Well, let's send her back. We're just gonna drop him off. See you later, big guy. Dang, that's such a bummer. Well, I hope you guys don't mind yellow light, because that's what you're getting for the outro. But crazy day, right? Fished all day at the Watauga, caught 20-some pounds of fish. Well, I didn't, but as a collective, technically, we did catch 20 pounds of fish. Then, after catching no fish, came to Oxbow, the place that usually gives me the good old skunk, and got ourselves 2 largies. I'd say that's better than nothing. Broke a pole, didn't catch anything all day at Watauga, Caught 2 fish at Oxbow. Crazy, crazy day. But if you guys enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button below, comment, rate, subscribe, do what you guys do, and I'll see you guys in the next one.